Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about these delicious and tasty homemade bread buns, which can be turned into fish burgers as shown. This is a fairly easy and quick recipe that only requires a few ingredients, and can be enjoyed in various different ways and incorporated in various different meals also. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go! Firstly, start off with mixing everything in a mixing bowl. The exact ingredients will be shown throughout the video. Keep adding in either flour or milk until the dough is rather soft and firm, but not sticky. Afterwards, cover the bowl with the dough up for about 45 minutes to an hour until the dough has doubled in size. And this is how the dough should look like after it has risen for a bit. Now it's time to divide the dough into even-sized balls as shown on a floured surface. After you've done that, cover those once again with a kitchen rug and let them rest for another 10 minutes. Then press them flat and put them onto a baking tray. Now glaze the top of the buns with some egg yolk, mixed with a splash of milk, and sprinkle some sesame seeds right on top. Afterwards, put them in the oven to bake until they're golden brown. And this is how they should look like taken out of the oven. These bread buns are ideal for making homemade burgers, as shown here. Some lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, as well as some caramelized onions and baked fish can go a long way and transform these plain bread buns into a delicious meal. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done and cooked. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.